Twi Lesson 8, Level 8. What is the time? The Twi version is bere no abosen. Time, bere. Time, bere. What time are you going to be here? Bere be na ubeba ha. Bere be na ubeba ha. At what time can you do it? Bere be na ubetumi aye. Bere be na ubetumi aye. At what time can you do it? Buy or to buy something. To. I buy or I am buying. Me to. I buy or I am buying. Me to. You buy or you are buying. Oto. Or are you buying? Oto. Are you buying? You buy. Are you buying? Oto. Oto. Are you buying? Oto. He or she buys. Oto. He buys. Oto. Or he is buying. Oto. He or she buys. Oto. 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 They have. Omowo. How do you say they have in Twi? Omowo. They have. Omowo. They speak Twi. Omoka Twi. They speak Twi. Omoka Twi. They speak Twi. Omoka Twi. Omoka Twi. They can't do it. Omo ntumi nye. They can't do it. Omo ntumi nye. Nye. They can't. Are you going? Oreko. Are you going? Oreko. They are going. Omoreko. They are going. Omoreko. Omoreko. Wash. Hohoro. To wash something. Hohoro. Car or vehicle. Normally it is the same as car or shine. But if you say car, they would understand. Can you wash the car? Ubetumi ahohoro car no. Can you wash the car? Ubetumi ahohoro car no. Do you wash the car often? I made a mistake here. It is supposed to be uta ahohoro car no. Car no is supposed to be at the end. Every day da biara. Every day da biara. Da is day. They wash the car every day. Omo hohoro car no da biara. Biara is every. Da is day. Omo hohoro car no da biara. Day da or eda. Day eda. Bath ajariye or jari. Jari. I bath mi jari. I bath mi jari. Do you bath? Ujari. Ujari. Do you bath? He or she baths. Ujari. He or she baths. Ujari or jari. What time do you bath? Birebe na ujari. What time do you bath? Birebe na ujari. Bathroom ajariye. Bathroom ajariye. Sarfo Baffoe.